In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dashboard in Wrike. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Creating a dashboard can help you visualize and manage your projects more effectively, so let's dive right in. First things first, you need to log in to your Wrike account. Head over to the Wrike website and click the Login button. If you're like me and prefer quick access, you can use your connected Google account. It's fast and convenient, allowing you to jump right back into your projects without any hassle. Once you've logged in, you should be looking at your main workspace dashboard. Now, we're ready to access the Dashboards feature. On the left side panel, you'll see a variety of options. Click on More, and from the expanded menu, select Dashboards. This will take you to the Dashboard section, where all the magic happens. Now that you're in the Dashboards view, let's talk about organizing the layout. You'll see a button labeled Change Layout. Click on that, and you'll get the option to choose between a horizontal or vertical layout. Think about how you'd like your data to be displayed. Horizontal layouts often give you a broader view of multiple metrics, while vertical layouts can help in prioritizing information. Feel free to toggle between these options until you find the one that best suits your needs. Next, it's time to set some filters to tailor the information that appears on your dashboard. To do this, click on the Add Parameters button. This feature is super helpful because it allows you to refine the data. You can choose to filter to show only active tasks, upcoming deadlines, or even project-specific data. Adjusting these parameters will help keep your dashboard focused and relevant so you can always stay on top of what matters most. Once you have everything set up, you might want to manage and share your dashboard. In the top right corner, you'll notice an icon with 3 dots. Clicking on that will open up a few options for you. Here, you can rename your dashboard to keep everything organized or even export it. Exporting is a fantastic option if you want to share these insights with stakeholders or team members. It can make collaboration much smoother and more efficient. And there you have it. With just a few easy steps, you can create a dashboard in Wrike that not only looks great, but also helps streamline your project management process. Remember, the key to an effective dashboard is to keep it clean, relevant, and tailored to your team's needs. Don't hesitate to explore different layouts and filters until you find what works best for you. If you enjoyed this walkthrough on how to create a dashboard in Wrike, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks.